Everyone, it is Mom Hack Monday and we are making a muscle support roller. Now this is one of my favorite things to make because I always know that I'm gonna need some type of muscle support, right? And this is one of the first roller balls I ever made when I first got my premium starter kit. So it is an oldie but goodie. So first we're gonna start with PanAway. PanAway is an amazing blend that helps with muscle support. So in the roller ball, all I'm gonna add is 10 drops of PanAway. All right, okay. Then, don't wanna waste a drop. Then your next one would be Copaiba, okay? So Copaiba is a great oil to enhance the action of the oils that you're mixing it with. And it is also great for muscular support. So I'm gonna add 10 in that one as well. All right. Then now, outside of the kit, some that you can use, good one would be Wintergreen. So I'm gonna add 10 of Wintergreen. Wintergreen is great for muscular support as well. Can't talk and count at the same time. Sorry. All right, and then the last one that I add to it is Cypress. Cypress is great to help support muscles, but also bones. Okay, so now I have the roller. It has all the oils, 10 drops of each that we just talked about: PanAway, Copaiba, Cypress, and Wintergreen. Now, the carrier. So two options that you can do. You can always add coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great carrier oil to add. Now, I got this, I got this the first time for a promo, and it's Orthosport. And I thought, well, okay, let me add it as a carrier to my pain roller, or my muscular support roller, and here we go. Voila. It's done. So I always fill my muscular support roller with the Orthosport massage oil as my carrier. So it just gives it an extra oomph. There is carrier already in this. It has grape seed oil and olive oil, but it has lots of other things in it as well. So it just adds an extra to it. And you have your pain roller. So if you only have the kit, you use PanAway, Copaiba, and coconut oil. If you want to explore more and enhance it, you add Cypress and Wintergreen, and then of course you can always add Orthosport as your carrier. So this is great muscular support when you're working out. I don't know if you see my punching bag here. If you get a little sore, roll it on your muscles. Great for muscular support in your back. But this is a must. So that is my mom hack for PanAway. I hope to see you back for fun facts. Bye.